Hey guys, welcome to Minecraft. This is version 1.16.4 and today I'll be showing you how to make netherite tools and armor. Goes for all tools and armor pretty much, but you need diamond. So, what you do is you go, first you need to make sure you have ancient debris. You need to make sure you find them in the nether, mine them, they're very hard to find but you mine them. And then once you get them, first thing to do is put them in the furnace with some coal and wait for that to smelt. And then you get netherite scrap. And then once you get netherite scrap, you go to your crafting table and you need 1, 2, 3, 4 bits of netherite scrap and 4 bits of gold to make 1 netherite ingot. So they're fairly expensive. And you need 1 ingot per tool and 1 piece of armor. So once you've got your netherite ingot from your scrap and your gold, you go to your smithing table and you get your diamond armor or tool that you want and put in 1 ingot, and there's your netherite helmet and your netherite armor. You do exactly the same for your tools: diamond sword, netherite ingot, netherite sword. Then you can do pickaxes, you can do whatever tools you want as long as they're diamond. Yeah. So that's it guys, that's how you make netherite tools and armor. Thanks guys, don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Have a good day.